Today, today we will do the practical of uninterrupted power supply performance. You already know the meaning of UPS. It is emergency light used to protect hardware such as computer data centers, telecommunication equipments or other electrical equipments where an unexpected power dispersion could cause injuries, fatalities, serious business disruption or data loss. Now, in this practical, we will study the performance of UPS, that is uninterrupted power supply. In there are two types of power supplies or uninterrupted power supplies. One is online UPS and another is offline UPS. Now, the main two switch, this switch is known as mains static switch. This switch is known as mains static switch, and this switch is known as UPS static switch. Depending upon which switch is normally on or normally off, we will decide it is online UPS or offline UPS. If we are using online UPS, then this UPS static switch is normally on. Means this diagram is of online UPS. Now the working of online UPS is like this. This is the rectifier circuit which converts, means input of rectifier is AC and output of rectifier is DC. This DC is provided to battery to charge as well as inverter. This inverter converts this input DC voltage into AC voltage. Filter is used to remove unwanted components. Now, if in case of online UPS, this switch is normally on and supply directly given to the critical load. Now, if power failures or if electricity interrupted, then this battery will provide supply to the inverter and then to the critical load. If we have to make maintenance of this circuit, then and then only this main static switch will be on, and we can bypass this UPS circuit and we can provide supply to the loads through main static switch. Now this is the working, or this is the way to work online UPS. Now in this online UPS, if you see, there is rectifier circuit, there is inverter circuit, filter circuit and two switches, UPS static switch and main static switch. Now in this practical we have to take readings when mains is on, means when electricity is there, when mains is off, when electricity is not there, and third when load is off. If we see observations and calculations of this experiment, then when mains is on means we are keeping supply on, then measuring AC input voltage means input to the inverter, then AC output voltage means output of the inverter, then battery full charge DC voltage means output voltage of the battery. Now if we make this supply off, then AC input voltage will be 0 volt, then AC output voltage whatever may be, then battery DC voltage. And when load is off means if we have connected fans or computer to the UPS and if we made that load off, then we are taking readings of battery DC voltage. This is the simple experiment to measure or to check the performance of the UPS. We will see this UPS in our laboratory. In our laboratory, the UPS available is of online UPS.